Differences between compressed air supply systems. With air-driven transmission instruments like turbine handpieces and air motors, there are different various possibilities of connections. These modify by the connection to the drive and exhaust air, the supply lines for the spray, and the electrical contacts for the light. The Borden two-hole connection has one connection each for the drive air and the coolant. The disadvantage is that the exhaust air from the rotor escapes at the connection side of the turbine or air motor and is not fed back into the dental unit via the supply line. This means that this air can be felt on the user's hand. The air required for cooling is diverted from the drive air within the instrument, which also lowers the pressure and cannot be controlled separately. The Borden 2-3-hole connection has an additional air supply which directs the coolant to the treatment site. For this, the required air does not need to be separated from the drive air. The advantage is no loss in performance, and both air supplies can be adjusted separately. The standard 4-hole connection has tubes for drive and exhaust air as well as separate spray connections. This means that the amount for the spray can be adjusted separately and set to the user's needs for both water and air. The complete pressure is available for the drive air, because air no longer has to be separated for cooling. The removal of the exhaust air means that no air output can be felt by the user of the turbine or air motor, and this air does not come into contact with the treatment site either. The standard 6-hole connection has, in addition to the standard 4-hole connection, 2 electrical contacts through which a light can be operated. With this energy, both halogen bulbs and modern LED systems can be operated, allowing optimal lighting of the treatment area. Turbine handpieces, air motors, and air scalers can mostly be supplied in all given connections. However, when making a purchase, ensure that you choose a convenient system that is safe to use.
W&H. People have priority.